What's the meaning of Beretta? Beretta. Beretta.
Beretta. Beretta. Beretta is a renowned Italian firearms manufacturer established in 1526. The name Beretta originated from the word fucile beretta, meaning rifle with a small hunting horn in Italian. The company has a long and rich history of producing high-quality firearms for both military and civilian use, including handguns, shotguns, and rifles. Beretta's reputation for excellence in craftsmanship, reliability, and accuracy has made its products sought after by hunters, sportsmen, law enforcement agencies, and military personnel around the world. Today, Beretta remains a leader in the firearms industry, producing innovative firearms that combine tradition and technology to meet the needs of its customers.